Bonjour, it's Michel, over at Keel Street. The pipes, you know? The ones you supposedly fixed. They're leaking again.
Okay, we got a free lunch here. They print money in the basement, and we need to take the printing plates. If we sell it to the right party, we're good for millions.
You Mitchell, sir?
Ah, there you are. Fast for once. Guys, I've got to show these people down the basement.
Hi.
Follow me.
Hi. Hi.
Не такая уж она и большая.
Hi.
Честно говоря, непонятно, откуда у них столько бабла. Только транжирят без конца.
Move.
Комиссии невероятно гении.
This is a $10,000 carpet, man.
Down! We got police storming in any second. Keep them down. Climb up. Down!
These guys are clever. The doors are linked together, so no one can enter the shelter unless the other one is in on it. You need to override Wilson's system, too. Okay, find Wilson's alarm box.
Yo, Heist, follow me.
What's wrong with you? I told you not to kill civilians.
Stay down.
Retreat!
Fuck me.
Keep going, guys. No one's seen you yet. Don't let the neighbors see you.
Oh, fuck.
Someone must have seen something, because the police are sending a couple of officers to check out the address.
Fuck me.
Okay, the cops are here. If you let him inside the house and take him out quietly, we'll remain under the radar.
Hold on, I just spotted one of them. I got contact.
The cops are inside. Silence kills people.
Stick him up. Hands up. Hands up. Get on your knees. Sudden movement. Cuff yourself. Follow on. I've dropped a medic bag over here.
Well done. Still calm and no alarms. I think the cops are calling the house. They're probably onto us. The cops sent another car. You know how to deal with them. They're inside. Take him out quietly.
Stick him up. Get on your knees. Now handcuff yourself. Hands up. Reach for the sky. James. Hands up. Come with me. Put him up. Put your hands in the air. Reach for the sky.
All right, you got far without getting detected, but it's over now. The cops are reported missing, and they're sending in a SWAT team. The party just got started. let's get down there. They're mobilizing an assault. Cool. Break through the gates. You need a crowbar. So, here's the plan. Get a hose down the hole from up top and blow a pack of C4 inside the water-filled safe. After that, grab the loot and get out of there. Alright, now apply the tank to the safe, power it up, and drag the garden hose down into the shelter.
Bulldozer! Fuck! Oh, bulldozer! I took out one of the builders! Taser down! Jay! Follow me! Put your fucking hands up! Smoke grenade! Jump, you son of a bitch! Grenade shield eliminated! Taser's down! Taser! Taser! Bulldozer eliminated! Go with me! I'm dying! Medic back! Anyone! Hey, Jack! You got him! Hero! Thanks, buddy. Taken care of. Eliminated! The cops are pulling back! No! Thanks!
Focus on the current objective.
Shield! Ammunition for the mission, guys! Smoke bomb!
Plates check. Let's roll.
Let's go, lads.
Hey, Get the hell out, Dad. Get to the manhole and into the sewers.
Jay! Follow me! Watch your back now!
Open the hatch with the crowbar and move into the sewers. They won't see this coming.
To the right! To the left! This way! Straight ahead!
Let's keep playing.
To the left! Here it is!
Left gate. Crack it open.
Fantastic!